In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Bank of Queensland app 2025. We'll keep this simple and secure. Before you start, make sure you're on a trusted internet connection and have your identification handy, such as a driver license or passport, since you'll be asked to verify who you are. Using a modern browser on your computer or phone works best. It also helps to have a few quiet minutes as you want to set aside so you can complete everything in one go. First, head to the official Bank of Queensland transaction accounts page. You can find it by searching for BOQ transaction accounts and selecting the official result. Confirm you're on the genuine site by checking for the padlock in the address bar and the correct web address. This protects you from lookalike pages and ensures your details are handled securely. Once you're on the accounts page, compare the options and choose what fits your everyday spending. If you want a straightforward option, the everyday account is a popular pick because it has no monthly fees and offers unlimited transactions. Think about how you plan to use the account, like card payments, ATM access, and digital wallets, and skim the product information so you know exactly what's included. When you're ready, click Open Now. You'll be prompted to begin your application. Enter your mobile number so BOQ can securely set up your application. You'll typically receive a one-time code by text. Enter it to continue. From here, the website guides you step by step through the form. Expect to provide your full name, date of birth, residential address, and some basic financial or tax residency details. Make sure everything matches your identification to avoid delays. Next, you'll verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your details using an accepted ID document. If you're asked to scan or photograph your ID, use good lighting, keep the entire document in frame, and make sure all text is readable. If there's a selfie check, remove hats or glasses and face the camera straight on. You can complete the application in your browser, and on some devices you may be prompted to continue in the BOQ app. Just follow the prompts shown. As you progress, keep the page open and avoid using your browser's back button. Use the site's navigation instead. If you need to step away, save your progress when the option appears. Double-check any summaries before you submit. Most applications take only a few minutes. If more information is needed, BOQ will let you know what to provide next. When everything's complete and your identity is verified, you'll see a confirmation screen letting you know your transaction account has been set up. You'll also receive details about your new account and how to access it. That's it. You've opened a BOQ checking account online from start to finish.